Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. If you're using Firefox on your mobile device, you might want more control over your saved passwords. In this video, I'll show you how to turn the Save Passwords feature on or off easily. It's quick, simple, and keeps your browsing secure. First, open the Firefox browser app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three-dot menu icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, choose Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Passwords. Now, tap on Save Passwords. If you prefer not to save any passwords, choose Never Save. If you want Firefox to remember your passwords, choose Ask to Save. This allows you to control whether Firefox should store your login information or not. That's it for today's guide. Managing your saved passwords helps keep your data safe and under your control. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more helpful tech tips.